Hi, this is Anna from Leemay Machinery. Today I will show you our crawler jaw crusher. You see, that is a 200 tons per hour crawler type mobile jaw crusher. First, you can see the vibrating feeder. That is to feed the saws into the primary crushing machine. Here is the jaw crusher set. Part is the generator to give the power for the whole unit. Finally, at the end of this unit is the discharging conveyor. The crushed saws will be discharged from here. All the unit is installed on the chassis crawler tracks. So it's totally mobile and it can move around your site flexibly. The whole unit can handle up to 50 millimeters material and the capacity can reach 200 tons per hour. If you have interest in our mobile crushing plants, just leave me messages or call me directly. Thank you. Bye.